welcome back to another video. Today we will play Edamame. It has a new one. So, I finally got 5K headers. Anyways, I'm gonna do a quick review of this robot. Finally! First, the egg. Its look feels futuristic. First, the egg first. Look at the egg. It's kind of cool. Anyways.
Yeah, he really did it, but he probably looked like he did.
Probably all in his legs. Oh, baby. Rainbow balls. Watch this.
This is the baby.
Oh my god.
The random animation. The walk animation. The sit animation. The call animation. And the eating animation. And the hurt one. And closing eyes. Yeah. I'm gonna show you the swimming animations. I'm gonna show you the swimming animation. So guys, this is the swimming animation of the robot baby. This is the swimming animation. Let's grab and the cool animation. Okay, let's grab. So this is the animation. This is the running animation. And this is the walking animation. This is the flying animation. This is freaking dancing. This is the animation. Glitching animation, I think. And the hurt animation. The eating animation. The sit animation. The call animation. Yeah. And the swimming animation. My favorite. I am a freaking submarine. Wow! Bye-bye! Plus, there's an Easter egg. I'm gonna show you quickly. And guys, I forgot the diving animation. I forgot. Yeah, that's the diving animation. So, let's find the secret base. I know where it is.
Alright, Chanel, I'm awake. Let me remove my iron. Good morning, guys. Now I'm going to take my clothes.
Move!
I have online classes.
Dot. Plus dot hot may. Yan lang. That's the secret. So, let's find the code. You can find this. This the code span. This the code spans. And this. And this. Oh, this is the password.
Try on this floor.
And this one. I don't want to show you because I'm in a hurry.
It matches with this yellow hat.
And this is the secret. This is the another secret egg. Look. What are we? Are we the only ones at our time? No. Because servers there's robots in the servers. So bye bye guys. Welcome back. Bye bye guys.